Is Mr. Siddaramaiah going to complete his full 5-year term, or are you going to sometime later this year give up chief ministership and maybe DK Shiv Kumar takes over? That is the buzz.
I already made it very clear that I am going to complete 5 years term. I will be the chief minister for 5 years. I made it very clear on 2nd of this month. I made this statement, and I made this very clear. And Mr. DK Shiv Kumar was also there, because on that day we were having a cabinet meeting. He was also there.
So in front of you, he said this, but since then, Randeep Surjewala, General Secretary of Congress, has been meeting MLAs, both in Bangalore and Delhi, and some of those MLAs have called for a change in leadership.
No, it is not correct. See, so far as leadership is concerned, Mr. Surjewala has not asked any question about the change of leadership.
But some MLAs have openly spoken about it.
That is there always. Some MLAs are there who are supporting DK Shiv Kumar. Of course, not much.
Sir, there was reports that there was a commitment 2.5 years Siddaramaiah ji, 2.5 years DK Shiv Kumar, 5 years to be divided. This was decided in 2023, apparently with the blessings of Sonia Gandhi and possibly Rahul Gandhi as well.
No, it is not correct. See what the High Command told us.
Yes.
What High Command told us, that whatever decision taken by the High Command, you have to follow. See, that is what they said.
Whatever the decision of the High Command. Mallikarjun Kharge also said that whatever decision the High Command takes will have to be accepted. So suppose High Command says that you have to step down.
Ours is a High Command party. Whatever High Command takes a decision, everyone has to follow the decision of the High Command. I will also follow. Mr. DK Shiv Kumar should also follow.
High Command has given you any indication that you have to step down or that there will be a change? Mallikarjun Kharge has said anything to you?
No, it is not correct.
Therefore, then what happens to all the MLAs who call for leadership? What will you all take disciplinary action against them? I mean, is the Congress party badly divided in Karnataka, and is that affecting governance? Siddaramaiah camp versus Shiv Kumar camp affecting governance in Karnataka?
See, Surjewala asked all the MLAs that how these guarantee schemes are implemented in your constituency. That is the main question asked by Mr. Surjewala to MLAs. And what are the developmental works that you have taken in the constituency, and what do you want from the government?